Yo mga idol, so welcome sa ating bagong reaction video and sobrang nakaka-relate ako nito and siguro makaka-relate tayong lahat saan mang sulok ng mundo kasi this is very common to us at walang taong hindi ginagawa ito. May mga hindi pa siguro makaka-relate sa mukbang, sa mga pagkain kasi iba't iba tayo ng dishes, iba't iba tayo ng gusto, pero lahat ito ay ginagawa natin mga tao. So kagagaling ko lang kasi sa sa CR, tapos napanood ko ito. Nawang-tawa ako. So without further ado, panoorin na natin yung video. Excited na ka? Excited ka na? Excited? Excited na kayo? Sige, play na natin yung video.
Many people suffer from constipation, so I invented this unobstructed toilet. We just need to sit on it and press the switch without needing to exert ourselves, and large things will fall down by themselves. Sometimes using the toilet alone can be quite boring. This type of toilet is designed for one person's use only, and it's just for excretion, which is very dull. So I invented this seesaw toilet. Just bring along your friends. See, not only can two people use it at the same time, but it's also a lot of fun. In winter, it's very cold to get up to use the toilet at night. So I invented this toilet with a teleportation device. When we need to use the toilet at night, we don't even need to get out of bed. Just press the switch, and we can use the toilet while lying down. Then, press the switch again, and it will dispose of what we've excreted into the toilet. Many households have only one toilet. When two people need to use it at the same time, the person without a toilet may feel very uncomfortable. So I invented this